back to my channel. This is Pashmika. Welcome to GLOBO Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another secret website where you can make money online as a print-on-demand seller, as an artist, as a creative entrepreneur. So I'm going to covering that website in this video. So if you're interested, then stick till the end. And before going to the part, consider clicking the like button, guys. I really appreciate that. And also, guys, recently I have launched a new platform for helping you guys making more money online. That is the globocreative.com, which contains freebies, the free graphics, the free patterns, the free KDP interiors, which you can download completely for free and get your own books or from making your own print-on-demand designs and thereby making more money by that. And it contains a full commercial license, so you can use it whatever way you want to. So I'm going to leave the link of this website description box below. You can click on that link, you can download the freebies, and make sure to check out each month because we will be adding new freebies each month. This is almost a series, like every week I talk about a new platform, a new website where you can make more money, and regarding as a print-on-demand seller or as an artist. So today on the episode of this secret website, again we have a new website, that is the Ingram Spark. It's similar to Lulu in certain aspect, but it's different in certain aspect. So I'm going to cover about what this website is all about and how you can make money and various things regarding it. So my phone, guys, I'm going to read the website stuffs and we're going to talk about how you can use it. So share your story with the world. If you're looking to publish quality print books and ebooks, you have come to the right place. We also offer global book distribution and free resources to help you self-publish successfully. Once you write and format your book, we make it possible to share it with the world. So it's a platform for self-publishing, for book publishing. So it's clear how you can make more money by that. So I'm going to first of all talk about how much does it cost to publish book on this platform. So self-publish like a pro, everything you need to successfully self-publish a book from one award-winning self-publishing company. So what it costs to upload a book with Ingram Spark. So they have the different plans, whichever plans you choose. Like for the print and ebook, they have the $49 for both. For the print book, it's the $49 per title. Then the ebook, it's only $25 per title. You can obviously check out this website. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description box below. You can check it out. They also distribute it to the different platforms out there, different marketplaces out there like the Amazon, the Apple, the Kobo, and the Barnes and the Noble. So they also distribute it, so their global distribution to over 40,000 retailers and libraries, including Amazon and Barnes and Noble. So they also offer the same qualities. Each plan has their own perk and their own qualities. Make sure you check it out for yourself. So you can even use your own ISBN. If you have your own ISBN, then you can use it for that. Or US publisher can receive a free one from the Ingram Spark. You can also receive a free ISBN for your book onto the Ingram Spark if you are a United States publisher. Then you can check about the different stuffs, guys, over here. They accept the payment in the credit and debit card for ordering copies. You can also order the copies of your book from this website, and you can do it by entering your credit and debit card or bank account or PayPal for payment for book sales. So bank account and PayPal for the book sales. Now we're going to talk about some of the benefits of publishing on the Ingram Spark, because we know their plans. It's not free to get started with the Ingram Spark. So why we need to publish on that? Like what feature they offer so that we can pay them. It's worth the price or not. So we're going to talk about the features and talking about the self-publish your book with Ingram Spark. Print book or ebook from one platform. So publishing a print book, quality and variety to match traditionally published books, hardcover or paperback, various print book types and trim sizes to choose from. So you have so many different trim sizes and book types you can choose from. You can get a hardcover or a paperback, multiple paper options for black and white or colorful printing. That's pretty awesome. Quality book covers and binding types, print-on-demand technology, reduce cost without reducing quality. So they also have the print-on-demand technology. Publishing an ebook publishing for a digital age, compatible with all the major online retailers, access to Amazon, Apple, Kobo, and Barnes and Noble, ebook file management from a single platform, affordable ebook conversion service for print books. Then Publishing doesn't have to be print books or versus ebooks. Think print books and ebooks. So you can have the both kind of books. Like if you're going for the low and no content book, then obviously you will be going for the hardcover or you're gonna go with the paperback. But if you are producing a high quality book, you're adding some content to the book, then you can go with the ebook as well, along with the paperback and the hardcover. So I've already talked about their cost, how much does it cost, but there are so many things, guys. Like you can publish in any genre, like the novels, poetry books, the children's and cookbooks, business and health books, graphic novels, and so on and so forth. So there are so many ideas. You can also calculate, like if you want, like if you are publishing a book for your brand or for something like that, then you can order the books as well, and you can order the books and check the different qualities, the printing types, the glossy paper, or there are so many different options they have, both for the black and white and for the colorful. And they also have a book calculator where you can type in your book cost and see how much does it will going to cost you to publish a book on this platform, and you can calculate that. So you can check out the different, depending on your trim size, the binding type, that's a paperback, or you can go, or either you're going with the hardcover, the lamination is the matte or the glossy finish. Then the paper, what type of paper, like it's a thin paper or a thick paper, that is a GSM. Then the interior color, either black and white or the coloring. Depending on that, the size will going to vary, than the page count. So all will going to vary. So for example, they have some pricing example on their website, guys. So I think I'm just gonna read it for once. Like for the pricing example, for the average novel, if you're having an average novel, which is having the trim size 6x9, binding type is a paperback, or laminate is matte finish, paper is 50 lb, then interior color is black and white, and page count is 200. For that, the list price would be $16.95, and the wholesale discount then, 55%, and print fee would be less from $3.66. So you're gonna earn $3.97 per book you are selling. So this is kind of like a rough idea of, based on one graphic novel they have placed on their website. You can very well go and check it out for your own personal book and see how much it is costing you to publish a book. It's great if you are looking for publishing your branding books, or even starting with your own magazine or some kind of stuff. It's awesome for that. Either way, you can also connect it with your own website and you can sell it on your website. And if you don't want that, then you can sell your ebook and the paperback on the different marketplaces out there. And distributor, they also act as a distributor. They also have the print on demand technology. So they have so many perks in this one platform. This is awesome, guys. So if you're looking for publishing any book, even high content, low content, no content, whatever it is, then you can go with this type of platform. Today's video, guys, I hope you find it useful, guys, and I'm gonna leave the playlist of the complete secret website which I've talked about so far in my channel. What are the different websites on which you can make money. So I'm gonna leave the playlist link in this card section above. You can check it out. And that's all for today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think. Have you ever tried Ingram Spark or not, or are you thinking of trying it or not? I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.